Howdy everyone, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101. This is my channel, Best Houston Apartments. We're at the Lenox Timbergrove, and we're about to go into their one bedroom model. So this is what it looks like. The hallways are very, very crisp and clean over here. This is right by all the amenities in this case, so it's a really pretty look and feel, but super, super pretty outside. But let's actually walk in. Really attractive one bedroom here. Wow, just really light, bright. Lenox always does this great job. I really love seeing the Lenox properties. This is a very, very nice white cabinets, white quartz. Everything's just crisp and sharp. It's so well lighted. They have all these lights here, and then gosh, even some built-in wine racks. That's a great touch there. That's a really pretty fridge there, more high-end fridge with an ice maker. Super pretty. And this is the other part. That's almost floor-to-ceiling windows. I love those windows. They're just gorgeous. You've got a lot of space here. It feels just really elegant and fun and very, very spacious. Very nice, very, very nice feel in here, really, truly. Also, I love the flooring that's here. It's just just kind of lighter flooring. And by the way, you don't need a table. Just bring 3 bar stools and you're all set up. This is just perfect. Hey, we're going to do a part 2 video, and we're going to go see the bedroom and bathroom right now. If you have any questions at any time, or if you're ready to take a tour virtually or in person, send me a text. Just use the number below. That's my number.